Hi there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can send friend requests on Roblox. So it's really easy and straightforward. So once you're in game, what you will have to do is basically just click this Roblox menu right here, and then you will just have to choose a person that you would want to add, and you will just have to click add connection. And as you can see, the request has been sent, and just do that to any person that you would want to add. And yeah, that's it. That's really easy and simple, as you've seen. And now if you would want to add someone outside the game, you will just have to search for their name. So for example, Mr. Flim, we would want to add this person. So what you will have to do is just again search for the new name, and then click add connection, which what we did last time. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.